ang talk show na may sinasabi.
How does one stay married 13 years?
You work at it every day.
O, ba't ka naiiyak?
Kasi ako na natupad ko yung pangarap ko.
Ang talk show na nakikinig.
Parang gusto mo mag-commit ng suicide. Sobrang hirap.
Priceless na ipakita sa'yo ng tao na nagtitiwala sila sa iyo.
At marami kang malalaman.
You bring so much joy to the people,
Yung nakikipag-usap sa tao, I enjoy yan.
and that's a gift.
Pero hindi lang ito puro kwentuhan. It is an experience.
We're going faster, tara!
Puno ng sorpresa ang umaga mo.
Open your mouth! Yay! It's a happy feeling.
Chris TV is more than a talk show.
Kayo lang. I like you.
I like it too.
Babalik ko po siya, tinan nyo.
Beautiful. Let's clap for the Philippines.
Buo ang araw mo sa
I am so adventurous.
I'm a chase woman.
Chris